What are you guys doing? What are you doing? What the fuck? Get off the roof. I've never in my life seen this. There's nothing in there. What are you guys doing over here? Jesus. What happened? The door shut or something? No. What in the world? That's not where you sleep. Really? Every day you guys go in the coop by yourself. What's the deal today? Are you having a bad day? Huh? Go. Go. Not in there. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. Ow. Ow. Damn it. Should shut this first. You guys okay in there? Alright. Ow. I think I just blew out my knee. Come on. Come on. One-handed. You can do it. There we go. No baby chicks straggling. What in the world is up with you guys? What have you done? Are you guys crazy or what? What is going on here? Am I missing something? You guys are just up here because you're stupid. Get down. They want to get in there. They're just too dumb to figure out how. Go. 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 Go this way. This way, dummy. Ow. Where are you going? Go, go, go. Oh, you have to get the stick. Get the stick. Come on. Off the top. Off of it. Off of it. Down. Down. No, not that way. I'll deal with you in a minute. Back in the coop. Go. 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 What am I, chicken wrangler? Come on. Not that way. Yes, there you go. That way. Go, go, go. Go in there. Go in there. Now you got it. Alright. Good to see. Oh my God. Get off the roof. Well, just broke her neck. Are you alright? You're not making this easy. Go in the coop. Go. Oh my God. Go in the coop. Go. 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 Oh my God, what are you doing? No. In the coop. In the coop. Damn it.